Welcome to Gunnery and Gun License. We are partner companies that specialize in the entire firearm licensing process from start to finish, absolutely everything in between. The whole idea for the two businesses to join forces was to provide a truly unique one-stop shop where you can literally get everything that you need to get done under one roof. So there's no having to explain yourself to 5 different people. You know, you go do your training at one place, another place will do your competency app, you buy your firearm from a third place, you have your gunsmithing done at a fourth, you have your training, your aftermarket, more advanced training like your vehicle violence courses, anti-hijack stuff done at a fifth, which can be quite cumbersome and annoying. Here at Gunnery and Gun License, you don't have to do that. You build a relationship with one person that can give you everything that you need, literally under this roof over here. We all started out sport shooting, massive love for firearms before we turned this thing into a business. So that's really what sets us apart. Now, guys, the real reason that we're here today is to discuss these awesome products from Liqui Moly. We personally use it for all of our training guns. Obviously, we run several training classes every single week. There's a hell of a lot of shooting that goes on. When we look for a product that services all of our needs, Liqui Moly really stands out. The quality, the consistency, it's just fantastic. It's a passion-driven company.